I like a lot.
Okay. Why is that?
It wasn't stuff on it.
Hey guys, you gonna open up Hanukkah?
Alright, you ready?
Why are you taking
Oh, you found
it
some
out?
batteries? Awesome.
We'll see how much
Okay, great.
juice they have left. It may end early.
But that's cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, you ready to open it?
Time to open the Hanukkah presents. Open.
How much do you need help?
What's that? Okay. Awesome.
Again?
Tasty science.
Again.
Okay. What else?
How do we know whose is whose?
Caitlin, do you see what this is?
My chocolate shell. Yeah, I saw what that is.
Shrinky Dinks? You love Shrinky Dinks.
Yay!
Where?
What's the chocolate chunk thing, yeah?
What does it say, Kaylin?
How do we know whose is
Kaylin, what does that say?
It says to Caitlin and Elliot, Happy Hanukkah. Love from Uncle Liam and Amy.
Caitlin, we already opened it. What's in the package?
But how do we know whose is whose?
I think they're both for both of you.
Yeah, it's for both of you.
Fat brain toys.
I'll read it to you. Look what it is.
Awesome.
Eliana, you like tasty science?
I like this.
What's that one?
Mmm.
Is that a
And I like that one. And I like that one.
Make and wrap your own chocolates.
wow?
Wait,
But you don't like candy, do you, Ellie?
I love candy.
What'd you say? You don't like candy?
Stop it.
What are you gonna say to Uncle Liam and Amy?
Yep. What's that?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ellie, look.
Why don't you thank you into the camera?
You're
Caleb, say
embarrassed?
thank you in the camera.